Hey guys, so this week's theme on YouTube Sisters is Outfits Week, so I thought that I would just show you a little casual outfit. It's nothing fancy, but yeah, I just thought that I would show you an outfit. I've been wearing it quite a lot lately because I just think it's quite comfortable and easy to wear and stuff like that. Everything, like where everything's from and things, will be in the description, so you can look if you want to. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry it's quite short, and I will see you next week. Bye.